Hey guys, this is just absolutely beautiful. Right, over the other side of the wharf. This is what they call Secret Quay. So behind me, of course, is the Opera House, and I wanted to get a cruise ship just behind me called Carnival Splendor. So it's beautiful down here. What a beautiful, perfect day to be out. It's not too hot. Oh, it's just lovely. And I take it around slowly to see the place, just to capture it, see how beautiful it is.
So,
Yeah.
recreating the video.
So many people, I think people are coming to get on the cruise ship, and others are just enjoying the day out on a lunch break. And I'm enjoying myself just on a holiday. That's what I call it. I'm on a holiday. So I'm just doing small videos of places I go to and just capturing the moment. So I'm capturing this day right now. I hope you guys enjoy my videos anyway. This is one beautiful place to come to, Circular Quay. So much is happening here. So much. Beautiful. I was going to catch a ferry, but I changed my mind. I was going to catch it into Parramatta. I think I'll stick to the train from now. I would like for me to get out on the open water for an hour, but yeah, I think it should be okay, but next time, not today. Today I'm just going to take this moment in, watching all these people moving with their bags because they're going to catch the cruise from here. So nice. Oh, I'm capturing that ferry just coming in now, just behind me. There. Look at that. Nice. So it's beautiful. So I'm still on my journey from Auckland to the Gold Coast, flew in, and then me and my sister did a road trip down to Sydney, and I've still just got a lot more to see in Sydney. I think I've only just captured just a bit of it. Well, there you go. This is my day today. Look at all those ferries coming in behind me. Yeah, it's amazing. Look at them all. So cool. Wow, there's about two coming in right now. Well, I'm here in Sydney, Circular Quay. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous day. Thank you for joining me again on my videos. Subscribe to my page. I'll catch you again on my next video, guys. Cheers for now. Bye. This is Lily.